Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to increase your withdrawal limit on your TikTok account. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your TikTok app. The next thing is to log into your TikTok account. Log into your TikTok account, you just have to click on your profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. So on your profile icon, you just have to click on the three dot lines found at the top right corner of your screen. The next thing you have to do is to click on balance. So clicking on balance, you're going to see the balance of your live reward. You just have to click on view. So clicking on view, you just have to click on how to increase withdrawal limits. So clicking on it, you can see this is the current amount that you can withdraw in a month, which is $100. The actual daily withdrawal limit might be affected by the payment method you choose. So if you receive zero gift reward, you earn is $0, that means you're going to be receiving $100 daily as your daily reward limit. If you receive $50 monthly, it simply means that your next month you're going to be receiving daily reward of limit of $150. So if you receive $100 as your monthly, if you receive $100 as your current month gift reward, it simply means that in your next month you're going to be having withdrawal limit of $200. If you receive $400 as your gift reward in the current month, it simply means that your daily reward limit is going to increase to $250. If you receive $400 as your gift reward in the current month, it simply means that in your next withdrawal for the next month, you're going to be able to withdraw $300. If you receive $600, it simply means that in your next month you're going to be able to withdraw $400. If you receive $1,000, it simply means that in your next month you're going to be able to have a withdrawal limit of $600. If you receive $2,000, it simply means that in your next reward withdrawal you're going to have a withdrawal limit of $1,000. If you receive $3,000, it simply means that in your next withdrawal limit is going to be $1,500. If you receive $5,000, it simply means that in your next withdrawal limit is going to be $2,500, and so on. So guys, that is it on how to increase your withdrawal limit. So if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.